So I already started removing some of the old sockets, so I'm going to add 2 more here, and I need to lose this part here because it's no longer needed. I have a new electrical box on the hallway, or in the hallway. Because I'm doing all this like finishing work here, it's good time to add sockets. So I'm going to add basically four sockets here. Now you see 2. I'm going to add another 2, and then 1 for the internet cable, or category 6 cable basically. And I'm doing the same over here as well. So I'm moving this part here. So I have 2 options to change the location of the couch and television set as well. And of course there's going to be a kitchen table over there, so I'm going to add 2 sockets there as well. What I can say from my experience is that the more sockets you have, the better. But another rule is that no matter how many you install, you still need an extension cord somewhere. I don't know why, like it's some kind of law, but yeah. So I closed off these socket holes here. Basically I used these round pieces of drywall that were left over from those holes over there. So the next thing is to close off this part here. So I have some leftover timber material. Basically now I'm ready to begin with finishing work. There are some cracks, so I'm going to cut it open a bit and then fill with flexible plaster and some mesh as well. plaster this wall over here, and for that I'm going to use this lime based plaster. So because this was a doorway, so I plastered this part here, and now I want to make it all even. So there were some cracks, like one was here. This is for the internet cable, and so yeah, I'm going to cover all this with thin layer of this lime plaster. So I now finished plastering this wall, so I leave it drying, and after that I will cover it with lime based paint. So yesterday evening I finished painting that part of the ceiling and also the ceiling up here. So there are some marks. I'm probably going to paint it second time as well. And here I added some caulking here as well, so now I'm going to paint it second time. So I'm not going to make any any repairs because it's alright to me. So yesterday I painted this wall with lime-based paint, and also these walls here. And I thought I can get away with one layer, but I can see some differences here, and yeah, some spots are a bit darker, so I'm going to paint it second time as well. And yeah, this wall as well, one coat of lime paint. So I'm using traditional lime-based paint, and yeah, it's actually a powder, like lime powder, and I mix it with water, also locally produced. And yeah, traditional methods to apply it on the wall is by brush, but I'm a bit lazy here. So I'm just tested it, how would it be if I used a roll, like a regular paint roll. But yeah, traditional method is to take lime paint and just go like that. And you get these like brush lines at the moment, but it will dry. More uniform. So yeah, basically you just move along like that, and one thing to notice is that you should keep the edge like wet. If you have a bigger surface, you need to move quite fast in order to avoid like lines later. But yeah, this is like one way, traditional way to paint a plastered wall with lime paint. So in here I'm trying to mimic like the brush strokes. I just go like that. So there wouldn't be any like lines if you go up and down.